This is our new location of AVS in Fullerton. This is our reception area. Come in, I'll show you where we see patients for consultation. This is our ultrasound room. Over here the patients get scanned for a possible varicose vein disease. Once we get the results, then I review the films and we meet the patient for a discussion. We go over the vein disease that the patients may have. We spend some time discussing the pathology of the findings, positive and negative, and we discuss solutions for the patients. If the patient needs a procedure, either a cosmetic or ablation procedure, which is a little bit more involved but still a painless procedure, which are performed in this area under sterile conditions. The patient has the ability to enjoy their favorite movie and listen to music while we perform the procedures here. And like I said, they are short procedures. Patients are ready to get up on their legs again and go exercise or continue with their daily work activities. We focus significantly on offering a very good health care for our patients and a great experience. So please come in and see what we can offer for your varicose vein problem.